CJX. Today it's Thursday, May 4, 2023. And finally they brought me the oil pump bolts. I need 2 and 1. They brought me extra. That's a good one, at least, for next time. Let's uncover it, torque down the bolts finally, and finalizing the engine. I have to put also the crankshaft rear seal. I haven't installed it. This is gonna be done after removing the engine from the stand, from the engine stand. And like I said, finalizing it, finally. Now, I was working on the 7.2.9 here. Yesterday they brought me the seal, the nut and the crash washer for the Jaguar diff. I finalized it, I finished this one, I paused the transmission. Yesterday night they brought me also the bolts. I have to continue with the CJX. Let's move on. Torque wrench and opening the oil pan and continue. And that's it. All the story for 1, 2, 3 bolts. For these 3 bolts. That's why all this delay. Let's close it. Now, engine upside up. I need to find another one hook to put it here at this point to be able to hook up the engine. And like I said, crank rear seal here. Okay. I need this, and the bolts. This to guide the crankshaft through the seal to don't have any headache, to don't twist it inwards, classic, like any other time. Bracket, throwing it out, putting the crank rear seal, and then wrapping with nylon to send it back to the customer. Beautiful. There are 2 cars that are blocking the engine crane, so even if I took it out, I'm not gonna be able to hook it up. I cannot take out from there because the guys that block the engine crane. Alright? I'm not 20 years old to take it out by hand. Yeah, I'm not 20 years old, I'm 21 years old. So yeah, skip that. So I'm not gonna be able to remove it from the engine stand. For now, I'm gonna keep the seal here, the tool, the guide, and the bolts at this point. When they come, the guys, I'm gonna tell them to make some space for me to take out the cars from there, to be able to remove the engine crane and put the crankshaft rear seal. So that's the end of this video. That's it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.